Good day, dear subscribers, with you Stress. As I promised before, I'll show you a bit more cool recipe for people who want to be healthy, not only raw foodies, vegans or vegetarians or whatever. So today we will cook some pickled vegetables. Pickled cabbage. A lot of my friends came to me and said, "Oh, no way, like healthy food can be so tasty." Yes, it is, and so big variety of it. Yeah, I will take the cover leaves because I think it's a little bit dry. So for now we'll do like approximately 1 kilo of cabbage, approximately, and 1 carrot, 1 cabbage, 1 carrot. Take a big one, really solid. So doesn't matter, you use any kind of knife, it's really up to you. You can use a shredder as well. Or when my bodybuilder's friend came to me and usually eat rice, some salad, chicken, that's it. And after 1 month you not really enjoy the food. And then they said, "Oh damn, like so good nutrition, it's so tasty," and so on. About pickle food, actually you just cut it off on small pieces, small as possible, and then leave it on a tree. After 3-4 days you can eat it. It's all a process of fermentation, and the pickled vegetables, it's really healthy and it's really good nutrition because nutrition is changed and you don't need to do anything. Bacteria will do everything, recycling. So all the carbohydrates, fibers, cellulose will transform to amino acids, proteins, right? So basically your salad may have more protein than a normal salad, so you can eat pickled food, mix it up, and you can balance your diet, let's say. So process is really simple. I'll show you actually in this pot. Best way if you use some glass can, like big one. I have a 3 liter. So on a 3 liter glass can we need a tablespoon of salt. Make it not too salty and for taste good. Also salt is the best preservative. Some people they add a little bit of sugar or honey, like a tablespoon approximately. But in this case you can store it not that long, but it tastes a little bit better. And some people said, "Oh, it's like extra food for the bacteria and so on," but in my opinion it's really unnecessary. So how long you can store the pickled vegetables? You can store for really long time. So as I said, you can eat it in 3-4 days. So basically I'll cut it out the core and I'll take these leaves because it's dry. That's it. I'll do it quite slow, because give you some explanation, but you can do it in 5 minutes. So yeah, healthy and delicious food can be done like super quick. And yeah, this is real fast food. Only you need to wait a little bit for fermentation. So let's say you put your vegetables in the can, so leave 5-10% to the top, because some gases need come out. Also, it should be not properly closed because of the gases. And after 12 hours, it's supposed to juice come out. It's supposed to be like really juicy. If it's and like water, juice is supposed to cover all of the vegetables. If it's not covered, you can add a little bit of clean water. That's it. And then like each day, about first week, because some gases not go on top, so you need to just little bit mix it up. So you can put a stick and a little bit mix it up. I have a big can up there, but it's not really convenient to show on it. It's not possible to show. If you have a wooden one, it's just perfect, because people like hundreds of years they use the wooden can for making pickled vegetables. You can use not only the cabbage, actually same you can make really delicious cucumbers or whatever, it depends, or radish, it depends what vegetables you have around. So basically you can make really a lot of cool stuff in the kitchen. Some recipes said you can add a little bit of vinegar, like green apple vinegar or lemon vinegar. Well, yeah, but it's unnecessary. So if here not a lot of chemicals, some bacteria supposed to be here, they will do all job for you. So if you're interested in some more recipe for pickled food, so maybe next time I'll show you how to make the pickled cucumbers or maybe some other stuff. Actually can make a pickled beetroot as well, so it's no limitation at all. Okay, salt, approximately a tablespoon. I will not add no sugar, no any other, let's say, ingredients like spices or whatever. But when it will be pickled, when it will be ready, then you can put it on the plate and you can add a little bit of onion, or you can put a little bit of pepper, or sweet pepper is really good as well. You can mix it up with other vegetables like tomato, let's say, and it will taste just amazing. For the carrot we will use a shredder, a little bit of exercises, but don't use it too small. Make it like not too big, not too small. And when it will be ready, your pickled vegetables, you can add some oil, some spices, or garlic, or chili, or whatever later on. And you can store it 6-8 months, let's say. If you add sugar, 1-3 months maybe. Okay, cool, I done it less than in 1 minute. So basically for the pickled vegetables in different countries, it's a million of different recipes, even in the same country in different cities. So you can pick any you like. In my case, I try to do something healthy, good looking, and fast. Don't spend too much time on cooking stuff and so on. So usually if I cook some, let's say, beans, I put it to the grill, and salads and pickled vegetables, I make quite big portions, so I can use it like week time or even months time. So I'll make like a few portions, so I know it will be enough for more than 1 month, let's say, and so on. So I spend the day, let's say, for make a powder from seeds or whatever, and prepare different other kind of ingredients. So later on I can make it food like a super fast. And some of it, like pickled vegetables, you can store for a really long time. So let's say you make 3 liters, like 6 pins of cucumber, 6 pins of red beetroot, 6 pins of cabbage, and so on. So I think you can use it more than months time and so on with other food, let's say. So we're done. So fast. Now we need to mix it up with the carrot and salt as well. And also you can little bit press it down. So same like we done a cabbage salad before, just a little bit, not that much. So later on it will put some juice out. That's it. But after I'll transfer it to another can. And you leave it. You can cover something, not much oxygen come off. But usually when all of the juice come, so everything will be under the liquid. So it will be no oxygen access. And then for taste this beauty, need wait 3-4 days. You can put it in the fridge or in the basement, some cold place. Yeah, but if you stay in Russia, some place might be too cold. That's it. We're done. We'll try it after 4 days. I'll make small portions for this time, just as example. Hope you like it. If you like it, you know what to do. I'll see you later.